Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Titan, and today I'm going to show you how to use your front and rear defrost. So with the vehicle on and your AC system on, to turn on the front defrost, it would be this one. So with this on, right now this mode's set so it's only blowing through the vents that reach the glass, and you can adjust the mode so you can have it, say, like blowing on the glass as well as your feet, for example. But from here, everything's now controlled by the fan for this front defrost. So you can change the temperature, cold or hot. You can adjust the fan speed up or down. And usually you want it hot if it's defrost mode on the front, so it's melting any ice that might be building up. And even if it's really hot, you still might want the AC on, just because that AC system can pull moisture out of the air, which will keep it from fogging up. When you're finished with this, you can either turn the fan all the way off, or just click this again until that light goes away, or you could change it to a different mode so that this defrost symbol's gone. And for the rear, with this on, this is now activated, and the way the rear works, if you can see in the video, there's black lines that run through the glass. Those black lines are heating mechanism. So when this is activated, it turns those on, which will then work to melt any ice that might be building up. And again, with that system, when you're done, just push this so the light turns off. And if these aren't working properly, first I'd check probably fuses. Maybe burnt fuse could make some of this inoperable. Otherwise, maybe check with the scan tool on your OBD2 port, see if maybe that'll lead you to something that needs repaired or replaced. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.